Hi guys, I'm gonna show you my Angry Birds Squeaky toy. It's actually a squeaky and can be a kitten there. Sorry guys, it might be dark here. Wait. So let's open it. Let's crack it. So that's it. That's the inside of it. So we're gonna do with there's a small circle or that's circle and this so just cover the circle there. This circle or that the little circle, just cover it. Just cover. So just cover this little circle and do like this. Wait. So if you cover this and push it, it will squeak and her eyes will like that. It will like that. Squeak. Wait. Squeak like that. Her eyes, that one. So that's it. Please subscribe and thumbs up. Thanks for watching guys. Sorry for the noise guys. Bye.